ചോദ്യം. ടെമ്പററി പോസ്റ്റ് മീൻസ് എ പോസ്റ്റ് സാങ്ഷൻഡ് വിത്തൗട്ട് എ ടൈം സ്കെയിൽ, ബി എ പോസ്റ്റ് സാങ്ഷൻഡ് ഫോർ വെക്കേഷൻ ഡ്യൂട്ടി, സി എ സാങ്ഷൻഡ് പോസ്റ്റ് വിൽ എക്സിസ്റ്റ് till the retirement of an officer who is appointed in the post, D a post sanctioned for a limited period and carrying definite scale of pay. Answer D. A post sanctioned for a limited period and carrying definite scale of pay. ചോദ്യം. Maximum number of leave not due that can be granted to an officer for his entire service. A 150 days, B 250 days, C 360 days, D 90 days. Answer C 360 days. ചോദ്യം. Fee means A payment to an officer from a source other than general revenue of the state. B charges released from public for the service rendered to them. C charges released from a particular person for damages caused by him. D charges released from a person being the cost of a particular item sold to him. Answer A. Payment to an officer from a source other than general revenue of the state. ചോദ്യം. What is subsistence allowance? A monthly allowance to the people affected by natural calamities. B monthly allowance granted to the officers who are placed under suspension. C allowance granted to officers who are on leave without allowances. D allowance granted to officers of last grade service. Answer B monthly allowance granted to the officers who are placed under suspension. ചോദ്യം. Bearing of increments without cumulative effect is A. Increment are withheld for a particular period and later release them with the previous effect and without any monetary benefit. B. Increments are withheld for a particular period and later release them with all benefits. C. Increments are varied during the entire service. D. Increments are varied when the pay is stagnant. Answer A. Increments are withheld for a particular period and later release them with the previous effect and without any monetary benefit. ചോദ്യം. Maximum period of joining time admissible. A 8 days including Sundays and holidays. B 30 days including Sundays and holidays. C 8 days excluding Sundays and holidays. D 8 days excluding Sundays. Answer B 30 days including Sundays and holidays. ചോദ്യം. An officer who retired from service have total service of 29 years, 2 months and 3 days. His qualifying service for pension will be A 30 years, B 29 years, C 33 years, D 20 years. Answer A 30 years. ചോദ്യം. Leave salary admissible leave for study purpose. A equal to half pay leave salary, B equal to earned leave salary, C half pay leave salary without DA. D no leave salary is admissible. Answer D no leave salary is admissible. ചോദ്യം. Unauthorized absence beyond leave period is called A joining time, B service break, C overstyle of leave, D dash non. Answer C overstyle of leave. ചോദ്യം. Rate of incidental charges admissible to a grade 1 officer for a kilometer. A 70 paise, B 90 paise, C 40 paise, D 60 paise. Answer B 90 paise. ചോദ്യം. Rate of compassionate allowance is A. 50% of average emoluments. B. Equal to the amount of pension. C. 3/4 of pension admissible. D. 1/2 of pension admissible. Answer C. 3/4 of pension admissible. ചോദ്യം എലിജിബിൾ ക്ലാസ് ഓഫ് ട്രാവൽ ബൈ റെയിൽ ഫോർ എ ഗ്രേഡ് സെക്കൻഡ് ബി ഓഫീസർ. എ. സെക്കൻഡ് ക്ലാസ്. ബി. ഫസ്റ്റ് എ സി. സി. സെക്കൻഡ് എ സി. ഡി. തേർഡ് എ സി. ആൻസർ ഡി. തേർഡ് എ സി. ചോദ്യം an officer with a basic pay of Rs 59,300 is included in the category of A. Grade 2nd A officer. B. Grade 4th officer. C. Grade 1 officer. D. Grade 2nd officer. Answer A. Grade 2nd A officer. ചോദ്യം to whom in the leave not due is granted. A. To those officers who have no leave at their credit. B. To the officers appointed on contract basis. C. To the officers appointed on professional basis. D. To officers holding permanent post. Answer D. To officers holding permanent posts. ചോദ്യം A grade 1 officer can carry dash kg of personal effects on transfer journey. A. 1500 kg. B. 2000 kg. C. 3000 kg. D. 3500 kg. Answer C. 3000 kg. ചോദ്യം ഡെയിലി അലൗൺസ് അഡ്മിസിബിൾ ടു എ ഗ്രേഡ് സെക്കൻഡ് എ ഓഫീസർ ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് ദി സ്റ്റേറ്റ്. എ. Rs 600. ബി. Rs 650. സി. Rs 750. ഡി. Rs 500. ആൻസർ ബി. Rs 650. ചോദ്യം ലോഡിംഗ് ആൻഡ് അൺലോഡിംഗ് ചാർജസ് ഫോർ ജേർണി ഓൺ ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ഫോർ എ ഗ്രേഡ് 1 ഓഫീസർ. എ. Rs 450 അറ്റ് ഈച്ച് എൻഡ്. ബി. Rs 500 അറ്റ് ഈച്ച് എൻഡ്. സി. Rs 800 അറ്റ് ഈച്ച് എൻഡ്. ഡി. Rs 900 അറ്റ് ഈച്ച് എൻഡ്. ആൻസർ ഡി. Rs 900 അറ്റ് ഈച്ച് എൻഡ്. ചോദ്യം മാക്സിമം നമ്പർ ഓഫ് സ്റ്റാഗ്നേഷൻ ഇൻക്രിമെൻറ്റ്സ്. എ. 5 increments of which last one as biennial increment. B. 5 annual increments. C. 3 increments in 4 years. D. 4 increments in 5 years. Answer A. 5 increments of which last one as biennial increment. ചോദ്യം amount of spectacle allowance. A. Rs 1500 only. B. Rs 3000 only. C. Rs 1500 once in 5 years. D. Rs 3000 in 3 years. Answer C. Rs 1500 once in 5 years. ചോദ്യം റേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഹൗസ് റെൻ്റ് അലവൻസ് അഡ്മിസിബിൾ ഇൻ എ ക്ലാസ് ബി മുനിസിപ്പാലിറ്റീസ്. എ. 6% ഓഫ് ബേസിക് പേ. ബി. 8% ഓഫ് ബേസിക് പേ. സി. 10% ഓഫ് ബേസിക് പേ. ഡി. 4% ഓഫ് ബേസിക് പേ. ആൻസർ ബി. 8% ഓഫ് ബേസിക് പേ. ചോദ്യം ആൻ എംപ്ലോയി വിത്ത് 6 years of qualifying service died while in service. The death cum retirement gratuity admissible is. A. 6 months emoluments last drawn. B. 3 months emoluments last drawn. C. 2 months emoluments last drawn. D. 12 times emoluments last drawn. Answer D. 12 times emoluments last drawn. ചോദ്യം in the case of invalid pension minimum gratuity admissible is. A. 1/2 months emoluments for each completed years of service. B. 12 months emoluments last drawn. C. 16 1/2 months emoluments last drawn. D. 20 months emoluments last drawn. Answer B. 12 months emoluments last drawn. ചോദ്യം ഫാമിലി പെൻഷൻ ഓഫ് എ ഡിസീസ്ഡ് നൺ of a Catholic government is payable to A. Mother Superior of the convent. B. Father of the deceased none. C. No family pension is admissible. D. Nominee of the deceased none. Answer C. No family pension is admissible. ചോദ്യം മാക്സിമം വെയിറ്റേജ് ഓഫ് ക്വാളിഫയിങ് സർവീസ് ഫോർ ഇൻവാൽവ്ഡ് പെൻഷൻ എ 5 years, ബി 12 years, സി 10 years, ഡി 3 years. ആൻസർ എ 5 years. ചോദ്യം ഇഫ് an officer is only for 3 months during the last 10 months of his service, his average emoluments for a pension is calculated as a. Pay of the last 10 months considering the period of leave as duty. B. Period of last 10 months excluding in the period of leave. C. Pay of the last 7 months. D. Average pay of the last 10 months before the period of leave. Answer A. Pay of the last 10 months considering the period of leave as duty.